Brown-Jerome, one of your Market Street dietitians. And today for the What's New blog, we're going to make yummy, crock-pot, pumpkin spice lattes at half the price, or even a fourth of the price of what you would get in some of those fancy coffee places. So this is a great recipe for if you want to just make it home on a nice snuggly night, or if you're having a party. This is so great just to have pumpkin spice lattes sitting in a crock pot and letting your guests come and ladle however much they need. So let's get started. This is a very simple recipe. We're going to start with 8 cups of milk. I've chosen organic 1% just for a little bit of creaminess, but please feel free to choose any kind of milk that you like. You can use almond milk, soy milk, especially if you aren't doing cow's milk or can't do cow's milk. Then we're going to add 4 to 6 cups of really strong coffee, or you can get espresso as well. Just mix that in there. We're then going to add 3/4 cup of real pumpkin. No artificial pumpkin flavor. Just let that plop in there. There's my half. And then my 1/4. We're then going to add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. That's going to make it taste and smell so good in your house. 2 tablespoons, yes, tablespoons of vanilla. And then we're going to add 3/4 cup of agave nectar. I've chosen light agave nectar. You can also do maple syrup. You can also do brown sugar. Now I realize this sounds like a lot of sugar, and it is. We're going to make the original recipe, but you can also, if you choose, use artificial sweeteners, Splenda, brown sugar, even half the amount of sweetener that you choose to use. We are then going to just stir this up, make sure all those chunks of pumpkin are mixed up in there. I already smell it. It's so yummy. It makes me think of warm inside, being warm inside in the winters. I can just imagine this smelling up my house and making it seem so nice and cuddly. So you just put the lid on this, and you can let it sit on high for 2 to 3 hours, or you can put it on low for about 4 hours, depending on how fast you need it. And we'll pretend that this is cooked for 2 hours. And what you can do with your guests is literally you'll have them ladle out their yummy pumpkin spice latte, and you can let them portion out however much they want. We've calculated for about 8 to 12 ounces of a pumpkin spice latte is roughly 200 calories, but the best part is it's only about 81 cents, considerably less than if you were to go to those fancy places. We'll top with some light whipped cream. We'll also, I think, for some garnish, I'll add a little bit of pumpkin spice on top to make it super pretty. And that, my friends, is a warm winter treat. You can find the recipe below this video on our blog, and I look forward to seeing you on the streets, on the aisles of Market Street.